So if you ever had problems with the 65590 code on a Razer Turbo, or I think like any Razer for that matter, and then you already changed the spark plugs, fuel injectors, even the belt and the clutch kit, and it's still running like shit. I have never seen a video where they show these, but check this out. So what I find out is that it just gave me a code with brand new injectors, and it was about the stator, right? So I took the plug off to the plug out, and this is what I found out. Look, it's burnt, it's melted. Okay, so my Razer has been having a trouble where you can ride it, you put new injectors on it, and it will run. And the problem is, like, every time I run it for too long, it'll give me a code saying that is the a malfunction, I think it is called, or misfire. I'm sorry, it's a code called misfire, but it always throws you to, like, changing the spark plug, the injector, the belt, any of that, that matter. But the problem is, like, on these Razer, I already changed spark plugs, injectors, wires, even the clutch, and nothing worked. It always throws me the code. And today I found out that it's the fucking stator. And I don't know if it's the actual stator, but at least the plug, it's just done. It just melted. Okay, I don't know if it got overheated, or I don't know what happened, but that's the problem. So I'm thinking that the computer feels like something is wrong, and it disabled one of the injectors, and that throws you off because you think it's the injector, but it's not the injector. Because the injectors that I have right now on are bigger injectors that last month gave me a code to change them, and then I put them back on today, and they just run fine until it got, like, basically like warm up, and probably like that plug got overheated. So if you have a misfire code on a Razer, and then you change everything and anything, and it still gives you the check engine light on, and it goes into limp mode, and you already tried everything, check this plug, or check your stator for that matter. So how I found out that it was actually the stator was that today when it gave me the check engine light on, I just like switch it to on my display. You can check the voltage of the battery, and it went from like 14.2 and all the way down to 13.2. So once the computer reads 13.6 or 4, I think, it'll throw you the code. So like I said, at this point, I don't know if it's just the connection or it's the stator, but that's the problem. All right, so for people out there that have a misfire code, and after like replacing everything and anything on the book, and still gives you the check engine light on, and throws you on a limp mode where you only can drive like, I don't know, like 20-25 miles an hour, check this plug, or use stator for that matter. So the only thing that you have to do is on your display, check the voltage on your battery. I have brand new battery, so at least on mine is gonna be either the plug or the stator itself. But the only thing is, like, the stator comes with connector. So I'm gonna have to order one, and hopefully that's the end of it. So I just want to put it out there because it's really frustrating that even shops have been fighting with this razor for over like at least a year, and we weren't able to figure out what it was until now.